This is Matt.
And Thomas.
1998. Came off a 1998 POS Homelite weed eater muffler.
Alright.
Time to recycle it. The redneck way. Rednecks don't mess around with their junk.
Into the Pricksharden house. Who hates?
If you're a redneck, you don't throw away trash. You always just do something fun with it like this. Never throw it away. Oh yeah.
Out into the street. Oh wow.
You gotta go take that big hit on that. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Try to split her open.
Get all the copper out.
That's not copper, is it?
I know, I'm joking.
Oh my gosh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I caught it.
Part of it came out.
Anything else?
Sounds different.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Go.
I'm right at Tiger Woods.
Go.
That's right. Oh, oh. Split it open, split open, split open. Right.
Into the bushes again.
Split open a little bit.
Pedophile van. Oh, not split open.
Oh, it did something inside though.
Okay. Redneck recycling. Whoa. Whoa, something came out.
Right where?
Right.
Oh my god, let my mouth go.
Really?
Because how they got so.
That's awesome.